my mids and highs will be fully separated. I'm running 12 different channels.
Really?
Yeah. So I have 6.5s on 1 amp. I have full surround sound for watching movies and stuff.
Well, you're impressive. What's your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Jason. Truck's named Flex on them. I got 4 Sky High Audio FMX 15s on 2 Ruthless 10Ks, 1 per at half ohm each. And I have FE series and all the doors, 1 8, 1 6.5, or 2 6.5s and 1 8.